Question 7. I believe this one is going to sort out a few A's from B's, but the first 2 marks are probably the easiest 2 marks you'll ever get. So the owners of a business are concerned about the cost of employee absence. Experience shows that 60% of employees are absent for at least 1 day per year. So absent for at least 1 day per year, yes, that's going to be 0.6 because it's 60%. Therefore meaning that the other part of that tree is 0.4. Of those employees who are absent, 30% are absent for at least 6 days. So 0.3 are absent for at least 6 days. Fewer than 6 will be 0.7. And that's 2 marks. That's hopefully 2 easy marks, and you're okay with that because that's GCSE. Each employee costs the business £200 per day that they're absent. The table shows the average number of days that employees are absent. Work out the expected cost of absence per employee per year. So first up, what have we got? Yes, and then fewer than 6. So we'll do the fewer than 6 first, so 6 and below. That's going to be 0.6 times by 0.7 because that's where we want to get to on this probability strand. So yes, because we're not going to look at no. Absent for at least 1 day. No, they're not absent, so they don't cost anything. So 0.6 to the 0.7 fewer than 6. That gives us 0.42. And then we're going to multiply that by the 200, which is the cost per day, times by 3, which is the average numbers of days. So that's actually 600, and that will be £252 once we've run that through the calculator. Now then, at least 6 days, so 6 or more. That's 0.6 times by 0.3, which gives us 0.18. Notice that those two will add up to 0.6. And then we multiply that by the 200 times by that 12 value. And once you've run that through the calculator, that will give you 432. The last bit that you do for this is add it up, 684. And hopefully you've seen how that works. 5 marks there. I'm not sure where all the 5 marks are allocated because I haven't done a lot of working. And I did have someone say to me, if I don't do a lot of working, can I still get the full marks? And with that one, yeah, 4 marks were away. Okay, the last bit. I found this tricky, really tricky. But we'll have a look. So the business can buy an employee absence insurance policy. The policy costs £600 per employee per year. The policy pays the business £150 per employee for each day that they are absent. So it costs the business £200, but if someone's absent, but if they are absent, they're going to get 150. So the actual cost per day now is £50. £50 per day. So for those that are off only a little bit at a time, so for the fewer, the 6 and below, we've got 0.42 times by the £50. That gives us £21. And then we multiply that by 3 because that's how many days they're on average likely to be off. So that's £63. For the at least 6, we've got 0.18. Where have these two numbers come from? They come from the previous question. Let me just scroll up from here. The 0.42 and the 0.18, they've come from there. 50, that's multiplied by 50 as well. That gives us 9, and then that's going to be multiplied by 12, which gives us the expected cost of 108. 63 plus 108 is 171. So that's on average what that's going to cost the business, plus 700 plus the £600, which gives us an expected cost of 771. Now, to answer that question, am I going to recommend it? To be honest, the expected cost of the employee was 684. So 771 is greater than 684. And that's what I've got from part B. So I would not recommend. I would not recommend. That's awful spelling. But I wouldn't recommend that because it looks like our expected cost of 771 is going to be a lot more than 684, which is these businesses are out here to make money. Okay, team, that's it. That's paper 2B done. Good luck for your exams. I hope that you absolutely smash it. Prelim material. If you're watching this in 2024, I've released the prelim material for 2024. If you're watching this in a different year, I'll try and make sure that you've got prelim material for your latest exam. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.